Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to read temperature data using an analog temperature sensor LM35 and how to read temperature data using DHT11 or 22 sensor. You can see difference between these two sensors. LM32 is an analog temperature sensor that provides the linear voltage output directly proportional to the Celsius temperature. DHT11 or DHT22 can read both temperature and humidity, and this sensor is a digital sensor. In this exercise we will use LM35 temperature sensor. You can see the wire diagram. This sensor has 3 legs, 3 pins. 5 volts is the red. Second one is for analog signal, and third is ground. Let's look the code. We have 5 variable. One of them is the integer. Read pin is set to A2. That will be analog pin A2, and this pin is used to read the sensor's analog voltage. Second one is variable to store raw analog reading. That variable serves to store calculated temperature in Celsius. And the last one is scale factor, because we transform 10 millivolts per degree Celsius to 1.01 voltage per Celsius. In the setup method we will set a read pin as input, and we will start sending data to serial port. The baud rate is set to 9060. In the loop method we will read from read pin using analog read method. That will be read the raw analog value from the sensor. That will be value between 0 and 1023. We must convert that value and save converted value as calc value. That's why the maximum value of the voltage in the Arduino is 5 volt. To convert the voltage to temperature in Celsius, we use a scale factor, as you can see. When we get converted temperature and set variable for temp C as that value, we will call println method for serial port and send the data, and then we will send the text calc value semi, then send the calc value, and next we will send temperature. We will print temperature in Celsius. The last line is delay. That will be make some pause about 25 milliseconds before the next reading. This exercise I will use DHT11 sensor. This sensor is different for LM35 sensor. You have 3 pin to connect. On this picture isn't origin version of that sensor. You can read on the legs of that sensor where is VCC power, where is the data, and where is the ground, and connect these three legs. In this code we must include DHT.h library. We will define two constant DHT pin and DHT type, use value from library. You must create a DHT object using DHT method and sending two parameters, DHT pin and DHT type, to that method. Let's look the setup method. We will first start reading for serial port using baud rate 115 2200. Next we will initialize the DHT sensor calling begin method and send text to serial port DHT sensor initialized. Next, in the loop method we will set some delay about 1 second. Then we will read humidity from DHT sensor, and after that we read with set delay for 1 second, and then we read temperature. Save that temperature as the T variable float type and send this data to serial port. In our case that will be serial monitor. Before that we will check that is not null, that value. If is null, we will print error reading from the sensor. If that's value not null, we will print to serial port that's value.